Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a Gradle project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so assume that you already have Visual Studio Code downloaded and have the app open up. What you want to do is you want to go to the Explorer section at the top left and you want to click on it and then locate the Create Java project. Click on this and then everything under Java such as Gradle will be found here. So what you want to do is you want to click on Gradle and you want to save it in the folder that you want and then click select and then you're gonna select the build script for the project. Let's say I want to choose Groovy and then choose the input name for the project. Let's say my first Gradle project and then click enter to confirm. You will see that the Gradle project has been created under the folder. But yeah, this is how you can create the the Gradle project in Visual Studio Code. You just have to open this Gradle project by locating the folder that you save it at. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.